Air pollution is invisible to the naked human eye. People do not totally understand the effect that these harmful particles have on the human body. There are many different types of pollution, such as noise pollution from automobiles and large shopping centers, to land pollution from the accumulated trash that we have collected and cannot find a way to dispose of. Leaking chemicals into the waterways has also polluted our water, so that many things are detrimental to our health. However, the most dangerous pollution is air pollution. It affects our society on a major scale and applies to everyone. So what is in our air that can be so harmful to us? Particles of carbon dioxide get emitted into the atmosphere from various sources such as trains, planes, garden tools, and cars that burn fossil fuels to power them. These particles get emitted into the air and relatively stay there while we all breathe in the particle matter into our lungs. This can be related to the high percentage of people either born or later develop asthma, which causes attacks of wheezing, shortness of breath, chest tightness, and coughing. The prescribed inhaler that doctors prescribe to help with asthma does not actually cure it, it is more preventing a dangerous symptom. This is only in case of emergencies and does not actually treat the disease. These are the long-term effects from air pollution. The short-term effects that people experience are irritation from the eyes, nose, and throat.
Believes that air pollution has contributed to that condition. We probably all know someone with that kind of state. The other way that air pollution affects people is in our efforts to fight it. We have created very complex regulations. We've made it difficult to do business here. We've made it more expensive to do business in the San Joaquin Valley, and that's certainly had an impact on people who are close to me.
The fossil fuel emissions outside in the valley are so dense and extensive that people resort to developing their daily routines in their homes because they think it's safer. In some office buildings, the air is 100 times more polluted than the air outside. This affects everyone in the workplace through performance of their work and their attention span. Children are specifically targeted and are the most susceptible for developing asthma because of their extensive outdoor exposure and physical activity. According to a survey from Fresno County, 1 in 3, or about 75,000 children, have had asthma or developed asthma in 2005. The year before, Fresno State did a survey that showed that San Joaquin Valley children and adolescents with asthma reported 25,000 emergency calls and 4,000 hospitalizations annually. This means every year. An estimate of the Valley's annual school absenteeism due to asthma totaled 808,000 absences, accounting for the lost revenue to the regional school districts of at least $26 million annually. But drawing up rules and regulations is not enough. People need to take the initiative to help improve their air quality. This can be done by purchasing more fuel-efficient cars, walking, bicycling, and using mass transit when possible. We do know that if we continue to dump harmful particulate matter into the atmosphere, that our society's health as a whole would be more unhealthy. We need to work hard today for our breath tomorrow.